What's up, guys? Back with another video of Moose. There's Troy, Corey, you seen him in the last video. Nate, he's new. He's one of the boys. He'll lay low.
Huh?
Nah, I don't know. Alright. So I got one video out before this. I didn't upload it yet, but you guys will see it before this one goes out. It's of the bed. We bed linered the bed. And I'm getting it painted, like, I don't know. Within a week or two it'll be painted. But I can't show you guys this stuff yet. That's gonna go in the video here in a minute. We're gonna do some stuff to the rig today. That's why it's in the barn here. That's why I got all the boys. It's like 25 degrees out. But what we're gonna do today to the truck, pretty big upgrade. It's gonna probably take us all day. But we're gonna put new coils and control arms and new shocks all the way around. Here's the reason why we're actually doing this soon. This one right here is a little broke. It got rusted up, so we're gonna do the coils and control arms and put shocks all the way around it. Yeah, that got a new bed. Look at that hole.
Air rust, clickbait, air rust suspension, question mark.
Hi guys.
Wait, hang on. Is there stickers? Oh, okay, you got stickers,
Easy,
dude.
I know.
Dude.
All right, hold on. So we're gonna start putting the parts on here, and we'll show you guys as we put each part on, and then go from there. It's gonna be a long process. Like I said, it'll probably take us all day, but it's gonna be a good vlog for you guys, entertaining. Cause we got all the guys together. It's always a good time. So yeah, we're gonna get to taking these tires off. I probably won't show you guys that because it's just taking tires off. You guys know about that. And then I'll show you guys when we start putting the parts on, and then what part is, what it is, and go from there. So we ended up getting the tires off the truck.
What time is it?
It's been about 2 hours since the last clip. We had to go pick up new jack stands because the ones we had were not tall enough. They're over there. Beat, yeah, like Corey said.
Jack was beat too.
Jack was beat. It got stuck. I should have recorded that. Sorry, I got to pick the camera up, but we went and bought a new jack. And yeah, so the truck's up. Here's the control arm that's fried. It's kind of jammed in there right now, but yeah. And the shock's making some noise. I think the shock's blowing too. And all right, so we're gonna take some shit off here, and whatever we put on first, I'll show you guys one of the first things. We have three different pieces of parts here, so.
This side's definitely not jacked up as far.
No, it might not be.
That control arm's broken.
Yeah.
It's shot.
But
no, it's lean.
catch you guys back when we get some of these bolts off here. It might do a little montage, and we'll get some of this taken apart and start slapping some new stuff on there. Little update, I'm filthy. The guys left. I've been at it for hours. They were here. They just left not too long ago. Now when they left, I didn't have really what I'm at now done, but I'm gonna show you guys. We got the coils. I got the shocks out. I'm stuck on this bolt for the control arm, but I'm gonna try to get that out now. That bolt's been a pain, but I think we can get it. I'm gonna keep trying. The other side I haven't started on yet. It's been a long process to do this. Everything's like, this is all stock on the truck, you know, so it's all old and everything. It's freezing out. I'm busted up, hurt my pinky. It's been a long day, but we got that done. I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh, here's the shock. I would say that's probably toasted. Like, you pull that out. You ain't supposed to be pulling it out. It's supposed to come out on its own. That's garbage. Here's what we got. Coils, leveling coils. About they're 2 inch. They're supposed to be 2 inches longer than this, which I mean they're close, pretty close. So that's what we're gonna be putting on. I'm gonna show you guys the other stuff too here in a minute. We got a bunch of stuff, bunch of parts. This is like one of the biggest upgrades for the truck. That's been a long time since probably the cold air intake. But I'm gonna get back to it. I had to clean up some of that. I gotta try to get this top off of the shock here, and then I'll show you guys the other things we got. And you know what, I'll just tell you guys, we got control arms, we got Bilstein 5100s, and we got the Rough Country coils, Rough Country control arms as well. They're adjustable. And I'll just show you guys as I put them on. So there's, you guys have seen the coils. And I'm gonna try to get this piece off here, and then I'll update you guys on where I'm at. And it ain't getting done tonight. This will be a 2-day thing. Tomorrow I'll end up finishing it. Hey, let's just go. Let's get it done. This is the next day. I've been working on it for just a little bit, not even an hour yet. Last night we ended up getting this done. The new coil, rough country coil, and the Bilstein 5100. Got them in there. Everything's backing up. We got to get the control arms off. I can't get that bolt off down there, but everything else is done on this side. And now I just got this shock out. It's pretty much junk too. It doesn't really, it doesn't work as a shock. It's garbage. But I couldn't get this bolt off, but the Bilsteins come with new hardware, so I'm just going to cut that bolt off, get this piece off, so the tripod, and go from there. It's just 3 little bolts. I just pulled it right up out of there. I didn't even have to take any my cold air intake or anything out. Now the shock is pretty much loose. I'm going to compress it. I dropped the axle a little bit, as much as it would really go. So I'm going to compress this a little bit, pull this out, and then I'm going to compress the rough country, throw it in there, throw the Bilstein in there, and then I gotta get these control arms off, and that'll be pretty much it. Put the control arms back on, and after that, it's about done. I gotta put the 2 shocks on the back of the truck. That's pretty easy. Just the bolt on top, the bolt on bottom. Very easy to do. So I'm gonna get to doing this, take this out of here, and then I'll catch you guys back whenever I have this piece assembled. I would show you guys, but it's kind of tough to film, but I'm gonna try to get a little montage of maybe putting a new one in or something. So we'll see. Well, guys, I'm wearing the same stuff. Not the same stuff, but the same hoodie, because this is my work hoodie. This is what stuff I just do work in. Gets dirty, whatever. But I just ended another video, and I'm going to end this video. The truck leveling kit is complete. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It has a little bit of a rake in it, but I think it looks real cool. And once the front end settles a little bit, I think it'll be good. All 4 shocks on the truck were blown out. Who knows how long. Control arms need to replace. They were shot. And the coils are fine. I'm going to keep them just in case. But enough talking. Let me just show you what it looks like. There's the view of it. The barn does slope a little bit, so it doesn't have as much as the angle it's showing, but it looks really good. It's way bigger. She's huge. Get up in there and show you guys both control arms. Real nice looking rough country. Adjustable control arms. Rough country coils. And Bilsteins wrapped around the whole truck. There she is. Bunch of room to play with in there now. You never know. We might slap some 35s on it next year. Or not next year. I don't know when. You know, these tires have a lot of life left in them. They're not going anywhere. Show you guys back here. Yeah, there's a rot hole. Like I said in the last video, you guys already understand what's going on with that. Bilstein 5100s wrapped in the back. And she looks good, guys. You know, like I said, more to come. You never know what's going to happen next to this build. We're all over the place with it. Alright, guys. I'll tell you something. I didn't want to have to do this. It really sucks after this long and seeing the truck how it looks. You guys, I'm not going to tell you. You're just going to have to see in the next video what's actually happening. It makes me real sad that I have to do this. And I didn't want to have to do this, but I guess the time's come for it. So just check the next video out. It's going to really suck. So, but there's still big things to come. That's all I gotta say. There's still a lot to come to the channel. But what has to happen has to freaking happen, alright? So, put a comment down below of what you guys think the next video is gonna be and why it kinda sucks. Just tell me what you think it's gonna be or what it is. Like I said, man, like I always say, I don't say this part. I'm just gonna say this, but I hope you guys tell me what you guys like of the leveling kit. Tell me if you guys like it. You know, let me know what's up, and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment down below of what you'd like to see done to the truck, to the dirt bikes, whatever you want to see on the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.